There's the baby right there in front of these. Right in front of
baby's
these.
in the front box.
Left, left.
Look at the baby. Look at the baby.
Look at that. They can come up real close.
Yeah, that was real close.
Sometimes they do, they come up close.
What did it do?
Right here, dude, they're taking us out. They're taking us out. Here they come, bro. They're going under the boat. They're going
Wow.
under the boat. They're gonna come out on this side.
You think so?
Yeah, here comes one. They're following us.
Dude, right here, dude, right here.
I got it. Yep.
Right here.
I'm videotaping this.
Right underneath the boat right here.
There he is right here. Look,
Right
he's
here,
right
dude.
under the boat. Right behind the boat. He's swimming under the boat. There he is, dude. Oh, that's awesome.
That's fucking great.
Was he doing a badass? He's right here. He's right here swimming with the boat. I'll catch him when he comes out. Watch. Oh, he missed us. Come on. There he goes. Turn the boat to the left. Oh, no. Barely a little bit. Okay. I think he saw me.
Huh? That's it, right?
Now they're coming back. They're still with us. That was cool. They come real close though.
I think they figure we're not, you know?
We're not hurting them.
They're intrigued.
I was gonna touch him. They are smart.
Where'd the baby go?
The mom probably doesn't